Good morning, students. Happy Vinayak Chavithi. Today we are going to start with a new topic, electric current. In the previous standard, we have studied about electric discharge. That is in the 8th standard, electric lightning. What is the electric lightning? The electric discharge in between the clouds or clouds to earth is called lightning. The electric discharge through the air is called lightning or electric spark. So does the motion of the electrons are responsible for the current? Right. Now we discussed about the electric current. So the nature of the substance plays the key role in the transfer of energy from battery to the bulb in the circuits. Some substance are easily transfer the energy from battery to the bulb. Those are called conductors. If the substance are not transfer the energy from bulb to battery, those are called non-conductors. As here, Drude and Lorentz theory. The Drude and Lorentz are proposed conductors like metals having the large number of electrons, while the positive ions are located their places. The arrangement of positive ions in the conductors is called lattice. Let me discuss the behavior of electrons in the lattice. In the lattice, the electrons are, if the conductor, so suppose the conductor is in open circuit, what happened? In the open circuit, the electrons are get in random motion. That's why the electrons are move in different directions. They can move in any directions. Suppose we have take any cross section in the conductor. The number of electrons are transfer or crossing from left to right is equal to the number of electrons are crossing cross section of area from right to left. Thus mean the net charge any cross sectional area of conductor is zero. Any cross section of area, the number of electrons are left to right equal to number of electrons are right to left. Thus means the number of electrons, the net charge across the cross section of area of conductor is zero. If the conductor is in open circuit, the net charge across the cross section is zero. If the conductor is connected in closed circuit, thus mean the conductor is connected to the terminals of the battery through the bulb. What happened? Due to electric charge, due to transfer of energy, the bulb can get glow. These the electrons are responsible for glow of bulb. Thus mean if electrons are responsible for glow of bulb, the electron should be in order motion. So then, if electrons in order motion, the net charge across the cross section of a conductor at any cross section is there. Net charge is there because of the electrons get in order motion. That's why the electrons order motion is called electric current. So finally we define that electric charge is nothing but the flow of charge any cross section of area of a conductor is called in a time interval. In any time interval is called, what is that? Electric current. So electric current is nothing but the electric charge crossing through the cross section of a conductor in any time interval is called electric current. That's why electric current is equal electric charge by time interval. Here the electric charge denoted by Q and time t. The unit of charge is what? Coulomb, and the unit of time is called second. So then the Coulomb per second. The SI unit of current Coulomb is the SI unit of current is called ampere. Here 1 Coulomb is equal 6.625 in 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Why the electrons get in specified direction when it is connected to the closed circuit? Because of when the conductor is connected in closed circuit, there will some energy is produced throughout the conductor. That energy, that cause is called electric field. This electric field this electric field directed the electrons get in a order motion. The electric field is the responsible of electrons in move in order motion or move in a specified direction. So that's why the electric current is nothing but the order motion of electrons is electric current. So electric current is Q by I is equal to Q by T. So electric current is scalar quantity. So thank you.